Do you spend too much time looking for invoices, copying data from invoices? I'm going to show you how quick it is to start using AI capture, which will save you so many hours of your time. With DocuExplorer's AI capture, you can extract data from unstructured records like invoices, bills, receipts, IDs, insurance cards, W-2s, and so much more. With AI capture, you can map these fields once and never file or tag another invoice again. Let me show you how quick it is to set this up right in DocuExplorer.
I created a sample company cabinet with a drawer for accounting and folders for each vendor I receive invoices from. Every time I receive an invoice, I want it to go into its assigned folder and tag it with the appropriate metadata so I can find it quickly in the future. This includes the vendor name, due date, amount. You pick what's important for your business. Instead of typing this information in manually, I'm going to right-click the invoice and select AI Capture, Invoices, and process the first page, as this is where all the information typically is. Since DX doesn't have a model for this particular document yet, I'm going to map the data in the document to my DX fields. Okay, so the first field is called Field Mapping ID, and this is what will recognize this document as being different from any other template. So for this example, I want this to be the vendor name. So anytime an invoice comes in from Charleston Water, it will know to use this Charleston Water model. Next, I'm going to tell it where in my library tree I want it to be saved. Click Select Folder Location and navigate to the folder you want it to go into. I'm selecting Charleston Water. Now it's mapped the cabinet, the drawer, and the folder for me. The OCR text field will pull all the text in the document so you can perform a full text search in addition to searching by metadata. For the amount, I'm looking for the total amount. Here it is. For the document date, I'm looking for the due date. Here it is. The document type is invoice, and there's nothing on the document that says invoice, but I can type in the document type I want by clicking Memo and typing in invoice inside of single quotation marks. This invoice doesn't have an invoice number, but if yours does, you can select it here. And the status in my system is going to automatically go to does not need attention, but you can customize this as you like. And last but not least, I'm going to do vendor name. Okay, click Save and Close, and you'll see it's all been populated. If I opened it up, all of this information has been tagged for me. Okay, so here's the fun part. Now I'm going to show you how you can automatically file and tag multiple invoices from different vendors all at the same time. This is where you earn that extra long lunch break or go sneak in a yoga class, because what would have taken you hours is going to take about 5 seconds an invoice. I have the DX email assistant set up to monitor my AP inbox for invoices. So whenever one comes in, the attachment goes directly to DX and it sits in this folder that I selected, and I can go in there and review it. If you want to see how to set this up, check out our video on the email assistant. So here I have invoices for 2 different companies, Charleston Water, which we just created the model for, and Dominion. And I'm going to highlight the 2 of them. And just like before, I'm going to click AI Capture, Invoices, and process the first page. And off they go. When I go to their folders, you'll see I now have 2 Charleston Water invoices with the metadata all tagged. And in the Dominion folder, I have 2 Dominion invoices with their metadata all tagged. It's pretty great. I hope you found this helpful.
Reach out to your account manager or email success@docuexplorer.com and they'll be happy to set you up with the AI capture.